I remember having to wake up early on Monday morning around 6 a.m., 7 a.m., struggling to get up, knowing I have to go to work where I used to get dressed, literally then jump in the car and go straight to work. And in fact, it was so bad, I used to feel the effects of it on Sunday, where when Sunday evening hits and you've got work the next day, it used to be the worst feeling, right? Now, life is completely different and life has completely changed. As you can see, I'm here in Dubai. I make 6 figures a year on my online coaching business, and I'm able to do whatever I want, whenever I want, right? And that's the benefits of starting a online business, because you can work wherever you want. And in fact, today is a Monday as well, and I actually woke up at 3 p.m., right? Which is kind of unheard of, because a lot of people on a Monday have to wake up early. That's why, like, for example, in the morning, the traffic is so bad. Everyone's trying to go to work. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., right? Everyone is commuting to work. And look, that used to be me. Over 2 years ago, that used to be me, where I used to wake up early on Monday morning and think, you know what, this is so long, this is so hard, I don't like going to work. I want to wake up when I want to wake up. I want to do things when I want to do things. You know, I can't live my life like this. And I used to hate it. And then when I used to go into work, I used to be half asleep, right? In fact, there was many times I've actually fallen asleep at work. And you're just sitting there counting down the hours. You know, when you're looking at the clock and you're like, okay, cool, I've got, let's say, 8 hours left. And you're like, okay, cool, that's like 4 hours. That's like, 2 hours, if that makes sense. Like, I know a lot of people have done this because, again, I used to be there. So I know what it's like. I used to hate it so much. And this was me literally over 2 years ago. And I started working in Argos, then I started working in World Duty Free, and then I started working at Sky, right? And Sky was my last job before I decided, you know what, I'm gonna take the biggest risk of my life, quit my job, and just move to Dubai. At the time, I had no savings, I had nothing going for me. I had a little bit of online income, but it wasn't enough to survive on. And now, just over 12 months later, I now own a 6-figure coaching business. I make money online. I have an apartment with a swimming pool. And yeah, life is good. Life's completely changed. But as I said, it wasn't always like this. Like when I was working in Argos, it was very, very difficult because we had cages. So we would have to bring in deliveries in the morning. We had to bring in cages. It was cold outside. The cages were cold. We actually had to wear gloves because of how cold the cage was. And yeah, it was dark because it was early morning, and it was the worst feeling ever. World Duty Free, very similar, again, very labor intensive because it was a warehouse, and in fact, because it was quite closed off, it was so bad, someone actually committed suicide at work. Then I worked at Sky, and Sky was a bit more work politics. Yes, I was at my desk, I was taking calls. Talking for about 12 hours non-stop to customers is also very, very difficult, right? And even then, I used to feel really depressed going to work and used to hate it. And yeah, life was really, really bad back then. And now I've completely changed everything around. I'm here in Dubai, living life, doing everything that I want to do, all because I decided to take the biggest risk of my life. Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I can scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, where we will jump on a call every week so I can guide you one-to-one, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now, a lot of you guys are sitting at work, counting down the hours, thinking one day something's gonna change, or you're thinking, you know what, maybe if I go home, I can at least finally rest and I'll worry about work tomorrow. How can you live your life like this? This is the worst way to live, because all you're doing is just delaying, right? You're not even optimistic about the future. You're more so waiting about when you can get the next comfort, which is when you're off work, or when you can take holidays, all of that kind of stuff, right? But why not start a business which can generate you firstly more money than your 9-to-5 ever will, and secondly gives you freedom? Because money is great, and I'm all for making a lot of money, but at the end of the day, if you don't have freedom, it doesn't matter. You could be making 10K, 20K a month on your job, but I would rather make 5K a month on my laptop and be able to work when I want, where I want, compared to being tied down to a job, right? Because at the end of the day, you've got to do what your boss tells you to do. And I've never been the one to follow instructions. I like to follow my own instructions, right? So that's why I said, you know what, I'm not gonna work a 9-to-5 job anymore. I'm gonna start my own business. Then I get to work when I want, work where I want, work how I want, right? Like, I can go to a beach right now and work. I can go to a coffee shop and work. Being in Dubai as well is a massive benefit because there's so many places to go to. Plus the weather is always sunny all the time. So you just feel more happier. Whereas in the UK, for example, when I used to wake up, even on my days off, right? I used to look outside, it used to be gray skies, gloomy weather, and I used to think, I can't live my life like this because it's so depressing. This is why everyone that's watching this video right now should start an online business, okay? Because an online business gives you total freedom. And not to mention, it will generate you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times more money than your 9-to-5 ever will. Now, if you're like me and you've tried so many different side hustles, like literally I've tried everything, right? I've tried drop shipping, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've tried YouTube content creation, I've tried TikTok shop, I've tried TikTok alone. I've tried so many different business models, right? Nothing seemed to work for me. So what online business should you guys do? Because again, there are so many to choose from, right? And especially with a lot of you being beginners, what business model makes sense for beginners to do so you can start making money straight away? And the best business model out of all the business models that anyone can do is by starting your own online coaching business. And the reason why this works so well is because you're teaching your skills and knowledge to other high ticket clients. And the best thing is everyone has a high value skill, whether you believe it or not. Again, you might be sitting there saying, I don't have a skill. Trust me, a lot of my clients said the same thing. They jumped on a call and said, I don't have a skill, can I still do this? They still joined the program. We identified several skills, picked one of them, and a lot of them are now making over 10K a month. So you've got a skill that's worth 10K a month. And if you don't believe me, there's a woman here in Dubai actually teaching people how to knit, and she makes just under 20 grand a month. Now, if you're telling me you don't have a skill worth more than knitting, then you're lying to yourself, right? Everyone has a skill. So how can this business model make you so much money, right? Because you're probably sitting there thinking, okay, cool. Let's say I've got a skill. How can I sell that and make lots of money? Well, let me explain to you. Let's say you've got a skill which is like how to get a six-pack, right? As an example. Now you've got a six-pack yourself and you want to teach others how to get a six-pack. Well, all you need to do is package it into a program, right? Where you can charge $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000 and then you sell it to high-ticket clients. Now, don't think people won't pay you that kind of money. People are willing to pay a lot of money if it solves their problem. It's about positioning, it's about actually delivering value, and it's about building your personal brand so they trust you enough. A lot of my clients that have joined my program because of me, because they watch my YouTube videos, they like what I talk about, they like what I say, they know, like, and trust me. That was enough for them to join my program and then obviously end up making money. So it's the same thing. We've got to build your personal brand so you can start making money. Now, a lot of people think that they can just build their personal brand themselves. Look, you probably can, right? But if you do things completely wrong, well, you're not going to make money, one. And two, you could easily damage your reputation online. And damaging your reputation online is probably one of the worst things you can do, because once it's damaged, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to sell anything online ever again. This is why I've got my online coaching program, because I teach people how to do it the correct way. I teach people how to position themselves in such a good way so they can start making money straight away, right? Literally, I've had people join my program and within 2 weeks get their first booked call, or within their first YouTube video get 5 booked calls, or just working with me for like under 2 months and making some serious money. Literally, all of these examples that I've just given you are actual clients who have made some serious money. So my best advice to you guys is, if you're tired of your job, right, when you're sitting in your 9-to-5 job, working, and you're looking at the clock and you hate Mondays, right? Because I used to hate Mondays, right? Mondays was like the day where I used to dread a lot. But now Mondays are another day to me. In fact, I don't even know when the weekends are anymore. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Whereas a lot of people that are working a 9-to-5 job know what day of the week it is. But I don't. I'm literally looking at the calendar every day like, oh, what day is today? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, cool. And that's only because I've got my own online business and I work whenever I want. Every day is the same to me. I don't have specific days where I have to worry about going to work or worrying about doing something that I don't want to do. And I can choose to do whatever it is that I want on whatever day. So again, guys, if you are sick and tired of your job and you want to make a change and you want to actually change your life so you can start making 10K a month consistently, make sure you click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and then I'll see exactly how I can help you and see if we are a good fit so we can go forward. Now, if your mindset is holding you back, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.